So next at your side is the graduation for grade 12 students. Now I request our principal ma'am and correspondent sir to be on the stage to share their mementos. Was the class teacher, Mrs. Lata Lakshmi ma'am, please accompany with them. Next, the parents of Jaina, get ready. Thank you, parents. So next, I would like to call Jaina from grade 12 along with the parents. Next, I would like to call Jasir from grade 12 along with the parents on stage.
Yuvaraj. Next on to the stage is Rajesh from grade 12.
Next, Ravindran, please come on to the stage with the parents. Next, I would like to call Shoyab from grade 12. Please come on to the stage along with your parents. Now I request parents of grade 12 along with the students, please gather on the stage for the group photo. request parents of grade 10 students please gather near the stage.
Next, we call upon Akash Ravi of grade 10.
Next, I would like to call Pranita from grade 10 along with the parents on stage. Next on stage is Siva Sanjeet from grade 10 along with the parents. Next on stage is Tarun from grade 10. Please come along with your parents. Next on stage is Jerry Christopher from grade 10 along with the parents. Please be on stage. Next on stage is Ricky Amal Anthony from grade 10. Along with the parents, please come on to the stage. Next on stage is Kevin Raj. Along with the parents, please come on to the stage. Now I request parents and students, please come on to the stage for the group photo of grade. Let me read out the achievements of Nishant Vijay. He is a good creative writer of Tamil composition and full academic overall attendance he has scored and academic overall performance of scored above 90% in all the testers and max paper presentation. Good paper presentation he has delivered out. So all these awards goes to Nishant Vijay. Now it's Nishant Vijay, please come on to the stage. Be ready. Getting award for the JEE above 80% individual talents. Parents, please encourage them. The next on site is Nishant Vijay for the overall academic performance, max paper presentation, Tamil composition writing, and full attendance. Almost 4 categories he has taken. Congratulations, dear. Next, Pranita, be ready. Congratulations, dear. And next, Pranita from grade 10. So she has scored full attendance of the complete academic up to date, and her science paper presentation was excellent with drawing, and she also good in Tamil composition writing, and her Fenman presentation was perfect. That is, complete academic were evaluated, and she is good in writing jokes in English. Congratulations, Pranita. Next, from grade 12, I would like to call Akash for creative public speaking in English. So it goes to Akash from grade 10. Congratulations, dear. Next, Jaina from grade 12. She is taking a best essay writer. Please come on to the stage, Jaina. Congratulations. Next, I would like to call Jasir from grade 12, who is taking the overall academic performance that is scored above 95% in all the tests. Give him a big round of applause. Congratulations, Jasir. Next, I would like to call Yuvaraj from grade 12. Best English creative writing skill he scored. Congratulations, Yuvaraj. So all these criteria we have taken out from our Sangford School workbook. So we are working a lot towards that. Next, Shoaib from grade 12, who is good in speaking English. He is a good public speaker. Award he is taking out. Congratulations, Shoaib. And awards from grade 1 to 9 is also awaiting in the list. So it will be announced shortly. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Onto the stage, their vibrant and energetic bilingual rock performance.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui, taqui taqui. Quieres un besito o un aquí, una explota como Nagasaki. Prende los motores Kawasaki, que la disco está llena y llegaron los Anunnaki. No le baje, el puri sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. El puri sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Touch it and tease it and squeeze it. When my piggyback is hungry, my nigga, you need to feed it. If the text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ayy, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like a Ouija board, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? You hoes got no class, you bitches is broke still. I be talking cash shit while I'm popping my gold grill. I'm a whole rich bitch and I work like I'm broke still. The love be so fake, but the hate be so real. El puri sobresale de mi traje, no traje panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que tú crees que tú no sabes. Dice que no quiere, pero se quiere comerle el equipaje.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Careful when you come through my way. My body already know how to play. But work it, keep it tight every day. And I know you need a taste. Now, ooh, falling in love. Give a little ooh, get it well done. Dancing on my ooh, make a girl wanna run. We keep moving till the sun come up. I get high in the party. It's a fiesta. Blow out your candles, have a siesta. We can try, but don't know what can stop me. What my talkie wants, get my talkie girls on.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Next, I would like to call parents of Dakshida. Please come on to the stage. Next, I would like to call Samara of UKG along with the parents. Please come on to the stage. Next, UKG Hashvita parent, please get ready. Next on stage is Ashwita from UKG. Next on stage is Kritik Shah from UKG. Next on stage is Sanjana from UKG. Next on stage is Ritvi from UKG. Next on stage, Sumaila Banu, please get ready. Next, Sumaila Banu from UKG. Parents who are standing near the LED screen, kindly move towards your left. Next on stage is Varsha from UKG along with the parents. from UKG. Next on stage is Adiban from UKG. Next on stage is Dakshit from UKG. Next on stage, Darshan from UKG. Parents, please move towards your left. Who is standing near the LED screen, please move towards your left. Let them finish the individual photo, then we gather for the group photo. Next, Suchit from UKG. Next on stage is Harshavardhan from UKG along with the parents. Next on stage is Harshrit Raj from UKG. Next on stage, Partha Sarathi from UKG. Next on stage is Ashvik Shai from UKG. Next on stage is Sri Ridhanya.
Next to Vihan Ritwik.
Next on stage is Vihan from UKG. Now I request all the parents be ready for the group photo of UKG students. Parents, please gather for the group photo. Thank you, parents. Next, parents of girls, please be on the stage for the group photo. Parents, please stay back. UKG parents, please stay back. We have 5 more programs to complete. Enthusiastic dance performance along with teachers' dance performance is awaiting for you. Now next, we have the book that saved the earth. We have an English kit on stage now. This playful story will show us how the beloved nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty becomes an high likely hero, saving the earth from our group of fairy aliens. So I'm sure it's going to be a riot of laughter and imagination. So get ready to witness an out of this world adventure packed with humor, creativity and lot of surprises. Let's welcome our talented grade 8 and 11 students with a huge round of applause. Please come on to the stage, students.
Be quiet. The book that saved the earth. Mother Goose is a well-known book of nursery rhymes in English. Do you think such a book can save planet Earth from a Martian invasion? Let us see in this play. The characters are Historian, Great and Mighty Think Tank, Apprentice Noodle, Captain Omega, Lieutenant Iota, Sergeant Oop, offstage voice. Scene 1. The 25th century, the Museum of Ancient History, Department of the 20th century on the planet Earth.
Good evening and welcome to the Museum of Ancient History and to my department, the curiosities of the good old far off 20th century. The 20th century was often called the era of books. In those days, there were books about everything, from anteaters to Zulus. Big books taught people how to and when to and where to and why to. They illustrated, educated, punctuated and even decorated. But the strangest thing a book ever did was to save planet Earth. You haven't heard of the Martian invasion of 2040? What do they teach children nowadays? Well, you know the invasion never really happened because a single book stopped it. What book, you ask? A noble encyclopedia? A tome about rockets and missiles? A secret file from outer space? No, it was none of those. It was. But here, let me turn on my historioscope and show you what happened many centuries ago in 2040.
Mars Space Control, Great and Mighty Think Tank, Commander-in-Chief.
Oh, great and mighty think tank, the most powerful and intelligent creature in the whole universe. What are your orders?
You left out parts of my salutation. Apprentice Noodle, tell the whole thing again.
It shall be done, sir. Oh, great and mighty think tank, the ruler of Mars and her 2 moons, most powerful and intelligent creature in the whole universe. What are your orders, sir?
That's better, Noodle. Ha, you mean that's ridiculous planet Earth. Of course, I'll connect you to the space probe now.
Earth, your intelligence.
Earth, of course. So insignificant, but first, something important. My mirror. I must consult my mirror.
It shall be done, sir.
Mirror, mirror. Who is the most fantastically intellectually gifted being?
You, sir.
Quicker! I hate a slow mirror. Ha! Martians are so handsome. Much better than those earthlings which have tiny heads. Noodle, keep exercising your mind. Someday you'll have a balloon brain like mine.
I hope so, mighty think tank. I really do.
Now contact the space probe. I want to invade Earth before lunch.
It shall be done, sir. Close.
Scene 2. A few seconds later. Place. Mars Space Control and the Centerville Public Library.
Close sighting of the cruiser. They have entered an air surface.
Excellent. Make contact.
Mars Space Control to Probe 1. Captain Omega, report your location.
Captain Omega to Mars Space Control. We've arrived on Earth and are in a square room. Any idea where we are, Lieutenant Iota?
No idea, Captain. I have counted 2,000 strange items, maybe a storage barn. What do you think, Sergeant Oop?
No clue. I have seen 7 galaxies, but nothing like this. Maybe they're hats or a haberdashery.
Perhaps the great and mighty think tank can help.
Easy, dear Omega. Hold one up for me. Yes, Earth creatures eat a lot. You are in a refreshment stand.
We are in a refreshment stand.
Earthlings have a weird diet.
That's called a sandwich.
A sandwich?
A sandwich?
A sandwich?
Sandwiches are the Earth basic food. 2 slices of bread with a filling. Eat it.
Eat it?
Do you doubt me?
Oh no, but Lieutenant Iota hasn't had breakfast. I order you to eat the sandwich, Iota.
Me? But I can't eat before Sergeant Oop. Oop, eat it.
Me? Really?
For the glory of Mars, Oop.
Fine.
Well?
Well.
It's dry as Martian dust.
Was it delicious?
No, it wasn't.
Excuse me, but I think Earthlings use sandwiches for communication.
Naturally, these are communication sandwiches. Who's never wrong?
Great and mighty think tank is never wrong.
Listen to them.
Listen to them.
Listen to them.
I said, listen.
It shall be done, sir.
Do you hear anything?
No.
Nothing.
What? No sound? Does the think tank make mistake?
No, sir. We'll keep listening.
Sir, I recall Earthlings opened sandwiches to watch them, not listen.
Yes, the sandwiches are for eye communication. Omega, look the colorful sandwiches.
It has pictures of Earthlings.
There's a code.
Code? Describe it.
It has lines, dots, squiggles, thousands of them.
The Earthlings may not be primitive. We must break the code.
Didn't we give vitamins to boost intelligence?
Brilliant idea. Take the vitamins and watch the sandwich. The code will be unfold.
It shall be done, sir.
Excellent. Now decode it.
It shall be done, sir. Aha!
Aha! What does it say? Transcribe it.
Mistress Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With cockle shells and silver bells and pretty maids in a row.
Pretty maids in a garden?
Stop! The Earthlings can grow rare materials like silver and explosive. Noodle, contact the invasion fleet.
They are ready to go down and take over the earth, sir.
Hold them. We have new information. Iota, transcribe the next code.
Hey, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The dish ran away with a spoon.
The dish ran away with the spoon.
Stop laughing. They thought animals space techniques. They are launching a plan. Millions of cows could attack us. No invasion today. Oop, next code.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had regret for all the kings, all the son, all the king's men cannot put Humpty Dumpty together again. Oh, look, sir, here is a picture of Humpty Dumpty. Why, sir, he looks like.
It's me, my balloon brain. They are after me. They are going to attack us and invade Mars. We must escape, Noodle. Prepare a capsule. No one can know what we know.
Where shall we go, sir?
Alpha Centauri, 100 million miles away.
Understood, sir.
We will erase all traces.
And that's how a dusty old book of nursery rhymes saved the world from a Martian invasion. As you all know, in the 25th century, 500 years after all this happened, we resumed contact with Mars and even became friendly with the Martians. By that time, the great and mighty think tank had been replaced by a very clever Martian, the wise and wonderful Noodle. Oh yes, we taught them the differences between sandwiches and books. We taught them how to read too. We also established a model library in the capital city of Marsopolis. But as you can expect, there was still one book the Martians could never bring themselves to read. You guessed it, Mother Goose.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம நாட்டோட 76வது குடியரசு தினம்.
அப்ப தேசப்பற்று பாடலாவே போட வேண்டியதானே?
போட்டுருவோம்.
Wow, what a showstopper. That freestyle dance performance was nothing short of spectacular. They end up with the patriotic song. It's really a wonderful performance, dears. Thank you.
Sello, macho sello. It's gonna rock it.
பாட்டுனா சும்மா உச்சந்தலையில இருந்து உள்ளங்கால் வரைக்கும் சுருன்னு அப்படியே கரண்ட் பாயணும். அது பாட்டு. நடக்காதவங்க கூட எந்திரிச்சு ஆடணும்.
இது என்ன பிரமாதம்? இதை விட பெசலைட் ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. கூவுடா
அங்கே புட் த சாங்.
டான்ஸ் ஆட வருமா? கேட்கல. டான்ஸ் ஆட வருமானு கேட்டேன். அதுக்கே கோபப்படுறீங்க.
கொஞ்சம் பாரு.
Thank you, students. Really, it was a very energetic performance.
Hi, hello, welcome to our popular show Jot Tank. I'm your host Janita.
And I am Daksh. Now, without further ado, let's welcome our Jaws. First up, give a round of applause to Mr. Manoraj, Miss Gracia, and Mr. Arun Sriram.
Now let's welcome our entrepreneur Mr. Rayan Sharif to pitch his idea. Now let's wait and watch.
Hello guys. Hello Josh. Myself Frank Sharif. I'm the founder of Smart Account. Today I'm here to raise my fund for just $300,000 for 10% equity from my company.
Alright, Ryan, let's hear it. What's Smart Account?
Yes, Mr. Manoraj. Smart Account is the world's first smart banking account. We have been designed the Smart Account to optimize, organize your fund, and we have used advanced AI in it, and all thing it can do in a single app.
So it's like a regular bank account, but smarter. What makes it different from, say, the budgeting features most banks already offer?
For this question, Mr. Arun, I have an example. Let's take a person tried to save his income, but he couldn't because of his saving habit, because he's spending so much money on waste things. So if he start using a smart account, what will happen is his money will be directly credited to a savings account. By this way, he can save his money.
So let me get this straight. This account does everything except making me a cup of coffee in the morning, right? Are you suggesting that an app could replace my financial advisor? What's the catch?
There is no catch, Ms. Gracia. I have no change of finance advisor, but we have optimized the account and we have been connecting with many big finance institutes to keep your funds safe. And it will be like a traditional account.
I'm intrigued. But what about your user acquisition? How are you planning to get people on board? We all know people are so picky about their bank accounts, bro.
For this, let us say, our targeted customers are millennials and Gen Zs, but they are pretty good knowledgeable in this technology and more. And in our smart account, we have AI in it. For this purpose, we are having 50,000 plus downloads in just 2 months after our launch. Thank you to our social media influencers.
So it's like, so you got some tractions. What's the business model behind it? How are you going to make money from this?
Actually, a company generates its income by freemium account. It is free, but actual income is generated through premium account, which has more features such as saving account, investment tracking, and more. And we charge extra fees such as referral fees for providing some extra services such as credit cards, loans, investment tracking, and more.
Wait a minute. So you're telling me that you're making money from both premium subscriptions and from recommending products to your users. Now that's genius. I really like the multiple streams of revenue. I'm interested.
This is a nice concept, Ryan, but I'm not 100% sure about your long-term viability.
Actually, Mr. Manoraj, nowadays a bank is shifting towards the technology, but a smart account has AI in it. For this purpose, it can optimize, organize your fund in better way. And a smart account is being designed to optimize, organize your fund through AI. But AI is a future. For this purpose, a smart account will be having great click.
Alright, here's my offer. I'll give you the $300,000 for 15% of the equity. But I wanted to help you by scaling this into the hands of the largest financial institutions. With my connections, we can take Smart Account onto the radars of the major banks and credit unions. By this, they'll be begging to be a partner with you.
Gracia's offer is tempting, Ryan, but I'll be willing to offer you $300,000 for just 12% of the equity. My expertise is in the customer-facing products, and I think we can really make Smart Account a household name with a strategic marketing campaign.
Wow, it's a great opportunity for me, but I'm going towards Gracia's offer because to make my smart account reach to many peoples and make connection between many big finance institutions.
I think I'm gonna pass this one.
Manoraj lost, Ryan, but let's be real here. If you want to get Smart Account into the hands of masses, you need someone with connection, and that's me.
I am in. Let's do it.
I've got this in my bag. Smart Account is gonna make me rich.
Great. Let's see, Gracia, if you're right. Let's see if you're right.
So let me welcome for the convocation program of grade 5. So I request our correspondent sir and principal ma'am please on to the stage for the grade 5 convocation. And at last we have Two more programs. One is by grade 11 girls and other one is our teachers' performance, followed by the special awards. I request some teachers to help out for the convocation. Please come on to the stage. Next, parents of Emmy, please come on to the stage. Parents, those who have received their awards, please. Stage is Emmy Charlotte from grade 5. Next, parents of Monita, please be ready. Next, Jason from grade 5, please come on to the stage along with the parents. Next on stage is Dwashalin from grade 5. Next, parents of Jai Krish, please be ready. Fifth standard boys, fourth standard boys, please stay back. Now on stage is Jai Krish from grade 5. Next on stage is Sandeep from grade 5. Next on stage is Sabari Vasan from grade 5. Next on stage is Hanish from grade 5. Next, Yashika from grade 5. Next on stage is Zara from grade 5. I request the parents to join along with her. Next on stage is Rubesh Gugan from grade 5. Next on stage, Harini from grade 5, along with the parents, please. Next on stage is Shashwin from grade 5 along with the parents. I request all the grade 5 parents, please be ready for the group photo. First category goes for the complete full academic attendance. The students who didn't take not even a single day absence in this performance complete. Standard 1, Maisha and Rowan. Please come near to the stage. Maisha and Rowan. Next, overall academic winners from grade 1, Mike. Come near to the stage. Manushree and from grade 7, please come on to the stage. Grade 5, please come near to the stage. And Sahana from grade 6 for the best story writing. And from Kavan from grade 7 for best jokes in English. And Jenny Leah from grade 7 for the best poetry writing in Tamil. And Tia from grade 7 for the once again. Students, please come near to the stage to receive your And Rajin from grade 2 for the best tessellation award to Rajin. And Karthikeyan from grade 7 for the best tessellation award once again. And Saish from grade 4 for the best tessellation award. Please come on to the stage. And Vinisa from grade 8, get ready for the tessellation award. The award goes to Vihan from 8th standard Kavan and Sanjay for the best quiz master in social from grade 9. Please come near to the stage. Best presentation in Science Expo award goes to Hamrish from grade 4 and shared with Saish from grade 4. Please come on to the stage, Hamrish and Saish from grade 4. And best presentation award goes to Arun Sriram from grade 11. Tinkering Expo presentation, best award goes to Hamrish from grade 4 for the primary session. Votes. So we'll be waiting for you.
മോനെ அதான் நம்ம பாட்ட பங்கு எஸ் சேஞ்ச் த சாங்
போதும்பா ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாமா ஸோ இப்போ எப்படி ஆஃப் பண்ணுறோம் பாரு
தானானே தன்னானே தானானே தன்னானே தானானே தன்னானே தன்னானே தானானே தன்னானே தானானே தன்னானே தானானே தன்னானே 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 தானானே தானானே தானே தானானே தன்னானே
Thank you, students. Now our last performance by our teachers. Teachers, please be on the stage now. Next memento goes to Janaki ma'am, Ambassador of the Year. Next Art Excellence Award goes to our kindergarten teacher, Jeshwarya. Next award goes to Ragasarathi Preeta ma'am, Tech Innovator Award. Teachers, you can clap for them. Next award goes to Catherine Sunita ma'am, Punctuality Champion. Next award, Kritika ma'am. She receives Embodiment of Humility. Next award for Reba Matthew, Collaborative Translator. Next award goes to Suguna, Guiding Star, our physics teacher. Next award for our Anjana ma'am, Ray of Positivity. Next award goes to Subhashri ma'am, Friendly Facilitator. Next award for our Uma Maheshwari ma'am, Radiant Presence. Next award goes to Bini Varghese, Insightful Fact Finder. Next award goes to Mrs. Lata ma'am, our social teacher, welcoming greeter. The next award for our Sarita Rajesh ma'am, our PT master, Sweet Soul. Next award goes to Leena ma'am, Fashion Enthusiast. Next award for our Bhagya Shri Mahesh Vaidya, Determined Achiever. Next award for our Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, Geography Specialist, Social Teacher. Next for our Niranjana Devi, our Chemistry Teacher, Spirit of Generosity. Next for our Ahilanda Rajeshwari, our Kindergarten Teacher, Artistic Visionary Award. Next for our Kartika ma'am, Organizational Strategist. Thank you, teachers. So next we'll go with the admin team, Jagadishwari ma'am, Computer Whiz Award. Next, our accountant Gauri ma'am, Accounting Expert. Accounting Expert Award goes to Gauri ma'am, Accountant. Next award for Pooja Kumar. The Busy Bee Award goes to Pooja ma'am. Next award for the another accountant, Amaravati ma'am, Energy Enthusiastic Award.
Next award goes to our Vice Principal, S. Gauri, Heart of our school. Next award goes to Velgomati ma'am, Master of Subject Expertise.
Kavita ma'am, she left now. So compensative soul for Kavita ma'am. And the next one is for our Velgomati ma'am. She have already received. Okay. Next. And Anita ma'am, the versatile contributor. She is not there here. But anyway, thank you. Let me call out the non-teachers. Indra ma, she is receiving embodiment of sincerity. Next for Sudhaka, the Perfectionist Award. Next for Deepaka, Energetic Racer. Always she is having superb energy. Next award for our Patima, Dhanalakshmi Amma, High Energy Racer. Yes, our Sangford James Pontius. And the next, last but not least, Sendil Kumar, our driver Anna, Solution Specialist Award goes to him. He is a Mr. Fix.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड
I kindly request everyone to stand for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड शुभ आशीष मांगे विंध्याचल यमुना गंगा उज्जैन जनहित रणनायक जय हे शुभ नाम जागे जय शुभ आशीष जय हे तव जय गाथा जय जय जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे